welcome back to another GGF video, and today we bring you another all AMD TUF build, but this time it'll be based around the 7900 GRE TUF GPU, which is this one here. So just like last time, I will do the full time-lapse build video and then I'll do some benchmarks towards the end. So pretty much this card was launched last year. It was only exclusive to the China market, but it has been made more available around the world and more so in the US the last few months. So we'll do a build based on this card. Now I will keep the card air cooled because one, I am doing some benchmarks, so I want to see how good this stock cooler performs, and then two, there are no water blocks for this card. But in saying that, in traditional GGF style, I will be doing a custom loop on the CPU only, and that will be a 7800X3D. Now for the case of choice, which is also pretty new, is the Lian SUP 01. Now this case came out a few months ago, and I will do a custom loop, which I just mentioned, in the black model of the case. Now for those interested in water cooling support in this case, I will be doing a full review in the next month or so. So stay tuned for that, because that build for that review, I will do a full custom loop for the CPU and the GPU as well. But anyway, to not keep you waiting any longer, let's get started.